Children in early years are at a crucial stage of sensory development, exploring the world through touch, sight, sound, taste, and smell. Sensitivity to texture, such as mud, is common. Enjoying different textures suggests a well-functioning sensory system, indicating good fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Discomfort or avoidance may indicate sensory sensitivities. To support sensory development, gradually introduce new textures in a controlled, positive manner, helping children become comfortable with various sensory inputs.
Let's make a pot.
Each child progresses at their own pace and has unique preferences, so it's important to respect these differences. Provide support as needed to help them build confidence and comfort with new experiences. Visit ESL Philippines for free child development assessment.